Congratulations are in order to Bafana Bafana. Talente Mbata once again proved to be Bafana Bafana's savior with a dramatic injury time winner, sealing a hard-fought 3-2 victory over South Sudan in a crucial Africa Cup of Nations qualifier on Tuesday. Mbata's heroics come just 5 days after his last gasp equalizer against Uganda, keeping South Africa's AFCON hopes alive. Played under sweltering 33 degrees Celsius heat on an artificial surface at Juba Nation Stadium in South Sudan's capital, Police 2 minutes later, leveling the score at 1-1. Apollos continued to shine, scoring his second just before the halftime whistle, giving Bafana a 2-1 lead as the teams went into the break. But the advantage was short-lived. Valentino Yuval brought South Sudan back into contention with a 57-minute equalizer, capitalizing on a slip from defender Siyabonga Ngezana. With South Sudan pressing for a draw and some of the pressure on Bafana Bafana, especially after they had been held to a disappointing draw by Uganda in their previous match. Group K remains tight, with Uganda leading on goal difference after a 2-0 win over the DRC. Bafana, also on 4 points, will now look to take control of the group in their back-to-back fixtures. Still, the name on everyone's lips after the match was that of a 23-year-old Polokwane City winger Apollos, whose first half brace highlighted his composure and skill in front of goal. South Africa's focus now shifts to the upcoming doubleheader against DRC, where they will aim to solidify their grip on Group K and move one step closer to securing their place in 2025 AFCON tournament. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.